Money. Joining me right now is Bulte Capital Markets Chief Strategist Catherine Rooney-Vera, Brandywine Global Fixed Income Portfolio Manager Jack McIntyre, and Michael Lee Strategy Founder Michael Lee. Great to see everybody this morning. Happy Monday to you. Thank you so much for being here. Michael, kicking things off with you. Bitcoin, what a weekend. Plunging better than 20% over the weekend. I think it was down 17% on Saturday alone. Down another 5% this morning, hitting its lowest point in months. Your take on what's going on with crypto?
Yeah, so Bitcoin is a very volatile asset, and one of the reasons for that is in the Bitcoin futures, there's a ton of leverage involved. If you buy S&P 500 futures, you're leveraged somewhere around 20 times. Bitcoin futures are closer to 50. So when you have that much leverage, the price is going to move a lot more volatile than, say, other comparable assets. What happened with Bitcoin is every time you hit a new high, as we did a few weeks ago, you get a lot of new entrants to the market. So the larger players in the market use that leverage to their advantage, shorted Bitcoin, pushing the price down so that they acquire more. These 25 to 30% pullbacks on the ways to new highs are very typical of this asset. So, this is something I added to over the weekend, but I wouldn't expect this volatility with Bitcoin to stop anytime soon. And I'll remind everybody, with Bitcoin, you either believe this is real or it's not. It's almost binary. So if you believe Bitcoin is real, it's based on the fact that fiat currency is becoming less and less credible by the day due to central bank money printing. So do you believe central banks are going to stop printing money, or do you believe that's going to continue? And if you believe that's going to continue and you believe Bitcoin is going to be here for a while, as do some of the largest pools of money in the world, Point72 Capital, Ray Dalio has said that he's had some money put in there, as well as Brevin Howard putting billions behind it, the likes of Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey with Square, and countless other companies are out there with this. So I would clearly, I'm a bull on Bitcoin. I add on weakness. I added a small amount over the weekend. For your everyday investor, I would only recommend putting in money you can afford to lose. But I think the best days for Bitcoin are in front of it, not behind it.
Mike, do you only like Bitcoin, or do you want to have a portfolio of crypto? Like, what about Ethereum?
My main holding. Yeah. So Ethereum is my biggest holding. I'm a little bit more bullish on the technology there for what I know. And then, I dabble in some of the other nonsense coins with very small amounts of money. I figure I'll make more money there than I do on DraftKings or any sort of sports betting, because I'm a horrible sports bettor. So that's what I do in my fun time. But my core holdings are Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Well, maybe you're picking the wrong teams. You ever think of that, Mike? I'm just kidding you. Catherine, let me get to Goldman Sachs. Yeah, Goldman is cutting its forecast for GDP for next